In a world where the air itself seemed to conspire against him, a young philosopher pondered the nature of his relentless sneezes. "Why must I suffer for nature's whims?" he mused, eyes watering. His mentor, a wise old sage, replied, "Allergies are the body's way of reminding us of our connection to the world, even in discomfort." The young man reflected, realizing that his struggle was a dialogue with nature, a reminder of life's unpredictable beauty. Perhaps, he thought, it's not about the sneezes, but the lessons they teach. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.